So when we talk about instant transfer on the Cash App International app, it's not just about moving funds quickly, but also about making the process seamless across borders. Cash App's instant transfer option allows users to send money internationally within seconds, making sure that both the sender and receiver experience zero waiting time compared to traditional remittance services. The instant transfer feature works by linking your debit card or bank account directly with the Cash App system, which allows near real-time settlement. Unlike other platforms where international transfers might take hours or even days because of verification processes, Cash App's advanced algorithm speeds up fund movement by using optimized banking rails and secure encryption technology. Another key benefit is transparency. When you initiate an instant transfer on the Cash App International app, you can track the status in real time. You're not left guessing about delays or hidden deductions. Plus, the app supports competitive exchange rates, which helps you get more value while sending or receiving international payments. Now let's explore 5 powerful tricks to make the most of this feature. First, dual-linked accounts. Instead of linking just one bank, connect both a domestic and an international account to Cash App. This reduces conversion costs and enhances transaction speed. So here's the thing about currency scheduling. If you often send money abroad, it's a good idea to plan your transfers during hours when global banking rails are, less congested. Transfers usually process faster and sometimes you might even get better exchange rates. Next up, recipient pre-verification. Just ask the recipient to verify their details beforehand. This step ensures that Cash App skips an extra compliance check, which honestly can really speed up those instant transfers. Another smart move is micro-test transfers. Basically, send a small transfer first. This helps clear any system mismatch instantly, so your main transfer goes through without any delay. And finally, there's the Cash App Card Boost. Try using the Cash App Card when you're funding your instant transfer. Sometimes, this unlocks cashback or fee reductions, depending on what promotions are running. Put all these methods together and, well, you'll see instant transfer on the Cash App International app become a reliable, secure, and truly instantaneous experience for global users.